2006 Chevy Cobalt with the 2.2 liter four banger. I got it at the auction as a no start vehicle, and this is what I get when I turn the key to on. This is what happens when I crank it. Whole lot of nothing. It's also kind of a buzz down lower part of the column somewhere, it seems like, or under the dash or something. I put a new battery in it, and I cleaned out the 50 amp fuse that's back there as well. There was a little bit of corrosion as well. I've checked all the fuses that are pertinent to the vehicle starting, and there's one thing that's very interesting once I scan for codes on my Autel is when I go to do a scan, this will take a moment, but I want you to see it in real time. Is when I go to try to get some live data, just jump in engine control module, I get a no comm, no communication. Error. Go in the body control module. Theft information. No comm there either. If I jump into just generic OBD information, not even like GM specific, one interesting thing, I hear maybe the electric fan is on, which is interesting. Haven't had that happen yet. But one thing about this car as well is pretty much all the electric stuff inside works. The radio works, the blower works, the horn works, wipers work. Everything seems to work. But I just don't get any communication with anything pertinent to it starting. See, there's your no comm on the BCM and the ECM as well. I guess the thing I would like to have the most is some pinouts diagram for the ECM, so I can check powers and grounds on both the ECM and probably the body control module, because I really don't want to start winging parts at it. So if anybody has any good clues or things to check, let me know. All the wiring that I've looked at is in good shape. Haven't seen any broken wires, haven't seen any mouse remnants or anything like that. The grounds appear to be okay. I haven't messed with them, but they're not loose or anything. No broken wires that I can tell on the grounds. But yeah, if anybody's got any good information or places for me to check, that'd be great. Thanks.